Bitcoin is breaking out from the triangle formation, guys, and we are seeing a big push, but it's not the only chart that is breaking out, because Ethereum is breaking out right now as well. Very beautiful. Dogecoin is breaking out as well, guys, and on the stablecoins we are getting lower and lower to the support of this channel. Guys, all about that in today's video. Let's jump straight into it. Bitcoin is seeing a very nice breakout, and if you were to look on the 1 hour time frame over on the pro charts on Will Portal, you could actually see that this was a very nice long position, because we can put on Will Algo right here and you can see that we had this curvature coming up, the red going into the green. While it's going into the green, we actually see these buy signals appear, and also on the 4 hour time frame we can see that we actually went from red into the green, which also with a buy signal on the 4 hour time frame, so that's very beautiful. Take a buy sell ratio on the 1 hour time frame was looking good as well. The funding rates right now are very high. They are all the time passing new highs, so that's something you gotta be a little bit careful about. I do think that this going to be sooner or later a problem, that we have such high funding, but maybe in the immediate shorter term time frame Bitcoin can still push higher in a kind of blow off top manner, which will mark the end of this move. And why will mark that the end of this move? Well, because this move has just been amazing so far, and normally we are seeing Bitcoin going into an uptrend, first uptrend, but accelerating in that uptrend, and sooner or later we'll get a kind of a blow off top. And we were talking about these two green zones where we can see that blow off top, because that would align with the stablecoin dominance touching the support. Then guys, Ethereum broke out as well. We did a super nice trade over on Will Alerts. We shared that. Ethereum long signal triggered right here. Ethereum will most likely do very good in January as we approach the ETF. I'm long. I'm still sticking with that opinion. Dogecoin also, we've been scaling into a Dogecoin position due to multiple reasons, which I will explain to you. But both of these trades are right now in profit. Ethereum is roughly 44% in profit with a 10x. Dogecoin is 46% in profit with a 10x, or actually 15x. So that's actually super beautiful. Ethereum was a no-brainer for me. This really looked bullish, like we broke out from this falling wedge formation. All these white lines are profits, so there are already some places where I have personally been taking profits on this trade, not on my spot holding. We can also see right here we went from negative to positive. Very beautiful. I'm basically expecting that Ethereum can surpass the high from 2023, so we can surpass above this level. Let me make this one a little bit smaller. We can surpass above, let's say $2,500, because I still think there is some fuel for Ethereum against Bitcoin too. So I still think that profits from Bitcoin can flow into Ethereum, as this is one of the next charts I'm expecting to do very well in January. But guys, Dogecoin is looking very good as well, because we had this falling wedge formation. We broke out to the upside, and the crazy thing is, that's also why we've shared that over on Will Alerts. I can share that this right here, because on the 12th of January, or actually early January, they're expecting to launch a rocket. Elon Musk is expecting to launch a rocket which is called Doge 1 to the moon, which is, I guess, paid for in crypto as well. So if that news comes out, that definitely can bring some hype to Dogecoin. So guys, that is the main reason for this trade, and also the structure just has been very nice. A falling wedge formation and breaking out to the upside is just a very bullish structure. But, and this is going to be the warning, guys, everything is going up and it's beautiful. The target of Bitcoin right here would be at $48,000, like we discussed before. But do take in mind, guys, we have seen a massive rally on Bitcoin. We see the stablecoin dominance touching soon a very important level. We haven't got any correction in Bitcoin yet since we have this rally. So if you look at this, we have this rally right here. We haven't got any correction yet. So definitely sooner or later there will come a big shakeout, and I will think that Bitcoin will see a correction. I would guess I would guess that it is going to be the moment we are going to touch this support. So I'm going to put some alerts right here as well. The moment we are touching this specific support, that will also come along with a bullish divergence right here. Will maybe be at the news of the Bitcoin ETF approval, but maybe a couple of weeks later is also possible. But this would just really make a lot of sense, right? And if you would do this in the past, if you would look at this structure in the past, and we just have here, okay, you short Bitcoin at the bottom, you long Bitcoin at the top, as there is an inverse correlation, you would have done very, very well, because every bottom right here marked a top in the Bitcoin price, and every top right here marked a bottom in the Bitcoin price. So I'm not saying that you have a 100% chance that right now we are going to see the same thing, but this would make a lot of sense in terms of structure to see at least a top and a further correction. That could be when Bitcoin is trading at 48, could be that Bitcoin is a little bit higher, could also be that Bitcoin is a little bit lower. We have to watch it in this chart. That is what's really important. So yeah, guys, that was the information for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Like I said, target for Bitcoin is somewhere in these green boxes. But most importantly is, of course, for me, the stablecoin dominance. I think after Bitcoin topped, we can see some profits flowing into Ethereum. So I still think there's some gas left in the Ethereum chart. Also, I do think Dogecoin can get that hype due to the news with Elon Musk and that rocket that probably is going to launch in January, probably the 12th of January. I don't know if it's still that accurate or if they're going to change the dates, but probably there will be some news articles about this event very, very soon. Yeah, guys, if you are interested in getting that information like we've been sharing over on Will Portal, where we're sharing these trades, we have daily basically daily updates and summaries from derivatives exchange data, trade setups, as you can see right here. GMX is also doing pretty good. Ethereum trade from yesterday, the Dogecoin trade from yesterday. And also I'm sharing some thoughts, like how I'm doing my strategy, how I'm taking profits. If you guys are interested in that extra information, guys, make sure to join Will Alerts. You can join Will Alerts for free by being an active trader on one of these exchanges down below this video, Bybit, BingX, or BitGet. I would highly recommend to use Bybit, as Bybit is the best exchange out there with the most liquidity, most safest. Bybit is also the exchange where I have the most assets on, where I trust to have big chunk of my portfolio on. So yeah, definitely the place to be if you want to trade. And of course, you can use Will Portal with the video I made earlier, where I'm teaching you how to use Will Portal Pro charts to make every single day money. And it sounds maybe a little bit too easy, but watch that video, because in that video I'm just explaining you a little bit the process on what you can do every single day, waking up, looking at the charts, looking for these nice opportunities where you have a good risk to rewards, maybe in a couple of hour time frame. You use a 10-15x leverage, then you can make every day quite easy money. It's easy technical, it's not easy emotionally, so that's something you really got to take care of, but I'm explaining all of that in that video. So guys, if you want to join Will Alerts, make sure to join Bybit down below, or BingX or BitGet, and I see you over there. And yeah, also watch that video where we actually talk about how to scalp using the Will Portal Pro futures. Guys, I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.